Well, we're out here at Lucas Oil MX Park. We just got our Supercross track built. It's the first time we've had one out here, and we're super excited. It's been about a week and a half, just non-stop. After, obviously, get our other track prepped in the morning, we'd work on it till about 8, 9 every night. So it's been about just over a week, and we're really excited with the final product.
Out here at Star West for opening day of the Supercross track. Checking it out, dirt looks good. Definitely see some potential here. There's a really big triple right there. That's going to be Granny Smith. Apple turned out Central today, hopefully. And yeah, I'm just excited we got a new track to ride, so we'll see how it works out. I'm excited, looking good. So, Granny Smith's today.
Star West Supercross today, and the track just looks bitchy, man. I'm so excited. The whoops look awesome. I don't know. I think they built them with a loader or something. I think I'm gonna go out there and bust a load on them real quick.
It's definitely a little different. Something different. I mean, it's always good to have another track out here in California for us, all the Supercross guys to ride. So yeah, it's good. It's fun.
Yeah.